Kruger, a name that evokes one of the wildest, most untamed landscapes in southern Africa, a place where dry grasslands stretch endlessly toward the horizon, where elephants, lions, leopards, buffalo, and rhinos all share the same domain. But among these giants lives something far smaller, silent, rarely caught on camera, yet capable of striking fear into every creature that crosses its path: venomous snakes. In Kruger, survival isn't defined only by the heart-pounding chases between lions and antelope. Sometimes it comes down to a single instant, one sudden strike, one lethal bite, and life vanishes as if it never existed. So what truly decides who lives and who dies here? Is it size, strength, or just a few drops of venom? This is the world of venomous snakes. Silent assassins where every single day is a brutal fight to endure. In the withered grass, a black mamba glides like smoke. Fast, silent, almost invisible. It doesn't need to stretch for dozens of feet. It only needs speed and venom that kills. Is there anything in Kruger faster than a black mamba? Hard to say. But with a strike delivered in just 0.3 seconds, it's enough to send terror into the heart of any living thing. One bite and the neurotoxin spreads through the body. Muscles seize, lungs shut down. There's no escape, no fight left. But what makes the Black Mamba a legend of fear? Not just its venom, not just its speed. It's the sheer recklessness. This snake will charge at a threat, unleashing dozens of strikes in seconds. How many predators dare stand against the storm like that? Even its name is misleading. Its skin isn't truly black or more olive gray, sometimes dusty brown, blending seamlessly into the Kruger plains. The black comes from the moment it opens its mouth to strike a gaping abyss, a flash of pure darkness like the doorway to night itself. The Black Mamba can reach lengths of 13 feet, one of Africa's longest venomous snakes. With a supple body and the ability to move at 12 miles per hour, it is a living arrow. You think you could outrun a lion? Probably not. So how could you possibly outrun a Black Mamba? But Kruger is not only home to living arrows gliding silently through the grass. In another corner, a different warrior lies in wait, not relying on speed, but on deadly precision. The Mozambique Spitting Cobra. Hidden among the dry leaves, the Mozambique Spitting Cobra waits. It's not in a hurry. It's patient. A bird, a rodent, even another predator, anyone who strays too close. And then, venom. A jet of poison shoots outward, aimed with precision, straight into the eyes. Can you imagine it? A creature barely knee-high to a human, yet capable of blinding a much larger animal for life with just a single spit. In Kruger, even a glance can become a deadly curse. The Mozambique Cobra doesn't need to chase. It keeps its distance, dropping enemies before they ever touch its body. Eyes burn, vision fades, and in the chaos, the next strike comes, this time a direct bite, pumping a cocktail of neurotoxic and tissue-destroying venom into the victim. What makes it so terrifying, not just the venom itself, but the dual strategy strike from afar to blind, then close in to finish. How many snakes in the world can combine both tactics within one small body? It often hunts near rivers and streams, where frogs, water birds, and field mice pass by. But don't think only small creatures fall victim. Larger animals too have collapsed after careless encounters with this invisible weapon. In Kruger, where giants rule by brute strength, the Mozambique Cobra reminds us all that sometimes destruction begins with nothing more than a single drop of venom delivered in the blink of an eye. In the thickets, a green bush viper coils on a branch, perfectly camouflaged, waiting to strike from above. It survives by surprise by that one sudden attack delivered from the cover of leaves. But below, another shadow moves through the dry litter, a heavier, more formidable presence, the African rock python. Unlike the small venomous killers of Kruger, this is a giant. Some individuals stretch up to 16 feet in length, weighing over 110 pounds. And what sets it apart, it can challenge even other snakes, venomous or not. It carries no venom. Instead, it wields something else, sheer muscle. With one crushing coil, it can squeeze the life out of birds, rodents, young warthogs, even monkeys, or small antelope. Can you imagine a limbless, smooth-bodied creature, powerful enough to bring down prey many times its own weight? And when it comes to fellow snakes, the venomous assassins that spread fear across Kruger, the python does not hesitate. It's immune to the toxins of many species, rendering their deadliest weapon useless. One strike, one crushing rap, and the silent killer suddenly becomes helpless prey. Its strategy doesn't rely on speed. It doesn't spit venom. It relies on patience. Hours, even days, it will wait motionless, watchful until the perfect moment arrives. When it does, the strike is final. The end comes without sound. In Kruger, where every creature carries a weapon of its own, the African rock python proves a chilling truth. Brutality doesn't always come from venom. Sometimes it comes from raw strength and patience without end. In the food chain, no one is truly invincible. The leopard master of the trees can bring down a venomous snake with a single pounce. Snake eagles with wings spread wide dive from the sky and clamp down on a deadly head with talons of steel. So who really rules here? Is it the snake with its terrifying venom, or those quick and clever enough to strike first or to dodge? In Kruger, the answer shifts with every heartbeat. Venom is not just a weapon. It is the product of millions of years of evolution. Some venoms destroy blood, clotting it into sludge until the heart seizes. Others attack the nervous system, paralyzing every muscle. Still others dissolve flesh itself, dragging out death in waves of agony. Cruelty, or simply nature's most efficient survival strategy. Not every creature fears venom. The honey badger is proof. Small but unbreakable. It will hurl itself at a cobra, take a strike collapse in the dust, and then rise again, staggering back into battle. Its body carries rare antibodies, gifts of evolution that allow it to shrug off poisons that would kill almost anything else. Tiny, stubborn, unstoppable. Even Kruger's silent assassins give it respect. Every day in Kruger is an endless chain of clashes. Venomous snakes hunt. Eagles dive. Honey badgers fight back. Leopards crush what thought itself hidden. There is no true peace here. Even in the heavy silence of a sun-scorched noon, cold eyes are watching. One careless step can cost a life. As the sun sets over Kruger, elephant shadows stretch long against the red horizon. The distant call of a leopard echoes, and somewhere beneath the brush, a snake coils tightly ready for the night ahead. Life continues. Death continues. The cycle of survival never stops. The hunter of today may become tomorrow's prey. That fragile balance has endured for millions of years. The question remains, will humanity learn to respect it or destroy it forever? If you too are captivated by the wild and its epic stories, Leave your mark on this journey, hit like, subscribe, and stay with us. Because out there, the wonders of nature never cease. Thank you for watching until the end. We'll see you in the next video.